Square Off, Grand Kingdom Set, How to Play. Turn on the unit and set up the pieces. Launch the Square Off app and connect to your board. Select the type of game you want and configure the settings. Hit Play Game to begin. To move a piece, gently press down on it until you hear a beep. Then, pick it up and move it to the destination square and gently press down on that square until you hear a beep. Do not slide the pieces across the board. After you move, your opponent will automatically move its pieces. Then you can go. If you want to move a different piece than the one you just pressed down, simply press down on it in its current space and pick a different piece to move. If you move a piece illegally, the board will beep at you and you will need to try again. When you capture a piece, place it on its corresponding icon on your right-hand side of the board. Begin by filling the outer line first, and pawns go from bottom to top. When you promote a piece, select the promotion on the app and swap out the piece. If the promoted piece gets captured, it will move it to the next pawn space. You can then change that piece back into a pawn. To castle, press down on the king, then move it 2 spaces and press down again. Then move the rook to the other side without pressing down. In the bottom left of the app, you can tap the board icon to see a graphical representation of the board as well as the most recent move. The board will beep twice when someone wins. To resign a game, tap the bottom right and press Resign. At the end of the game, press the Reset Chess Pieces to have the board automatically move all the pieces back to their starting positions. Or you can reset the board by hand. Check out the link in the description for where you can buy one, and be sure to use my promo code SSSGames for a sweet discount.